What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your windshield wipers on a 2009 to about the 2017, possibly the 18 Chevy Traverse. I'm going to show you how to change out your front windshield wiper as well as your back windshield wiper, that small one. Change your front windshield wiper. It's pretty simple. What you want to do is just lift this up like this, and when you look, you'll see a little button right here. So all you want to do is basically just press that button in like that and pull out just like that pretty much, and you'll have your windshield wiper off. And then to put your new one on, same reverse process. Just take your windshield wiper, you'll see that little square on it, take it over to like that and just snap it in like that, and pretty much you'll be good. How you be changing out your back windshield wiper on a Chevy Traverse. This happens to be a 2009. It's probably the same from about the 2009 all the way up to about the 2017. Sometimes you'll see people kind of like reach back here trying to do it without taking it off. You can do it like that, but it's kind of difficult. What I like to do is just pretty much come right here. If you can see this, just pop this piece up, and right behind there, what you'll have is a size 13 bolt. All you want to do is kind of just take off this bolt right here. And once you take this bolt off, a lot of times the arm will still be kind of stiff, so a lot of times you kind of just want to wiggle your arm around like that. Once you do that, it'll come off just like that. Alright folks, so once you have the actual arm off of the vehicle, if you look underneath here like this, you'll see like a little hook. All you want to do pretty much is take your windshield wiper blade and pull it down toward where you took off the bolt at. Just pull it down like that, and once you pull it down, you see again, it slid down. Once you do that, you kind of want to wiggle it. Sometimes it takes a second for you to kind of wiggle it around, and once you do like that, it'll come off. And don't worry about if this piece right here comes out. It's no big deal. You just want to take it. You see that little push thing? There's actually nothing to press on these type because there's nothing actually holding it in. So all you want to do is just take with this part right here, face it toward the back of your windshield wiper, snap it back onto the bar right here like that. Say if it's on your new one, whichever, just like that. And you see right here, this is the hook right here that it's up underneath like that. So then once you get your other one to put on, you just want to take it upside down like that. You want to put it on. You see this opening right here? You want this hook right here to go right into this opening that's right there. So take it down just like that, get the hook in there. Then once you got it in, you might have to push these little tabs down each side of it like that, then just press it up like that. And once you press it up, it'll be back on. It may not feel like it's super secure because you don't have like a little piece that pops out in the middle right here, but it'll be fine. Now all you have to do is go back, put it back onto the vehicle, kind of press it down. Don't worry about trying to press it down so hard, because when you put the screw back on, the bolt back on it, it's going to press it in to them little grooves in there. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your back and your front windshield wipers on a 2009 Chevy Traverse all the way up to about the 2018. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.